Sophie. We are there. There we are.
Sandwich fair.
We're here. We're here, baby. Miles away, huh?
We are in the last row.
If there's nothing in the last row, then we gotta move up. Right? Should be another person flagging you over here.
Hi. Oh wow. Potato chips.
Okay, like this one. Hold it on this.
Oh, there's a Ferris wheel, Dion.
Yes. Your brother gonna ride the Ferris wheel.
Yeah. He's so excited. And
Yeah.
you're so excited too.
Yes. There's an app. You can download the app. Fall in line.
The train.
Very long line. Sophia is having fun.
Hungry? Drink, Michael?
No.
No thank you. Say no thank you.
No, thank you. No.
Okay. Hi there, baby. We are in the fair. Huh? Sophia, huh?
Oh, we're so fun. Like in Yellowstone, I was used to going 2 hours. Yeah. And 45 minutes. We're already almost there.
Right on the fair. Hi, Michael. We are on the fair, sandwich fair.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey, there's a wagon. Where's that wagon?
Oh yeah.
For that tractor smoke wagon.
Oh yes. In here now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, that's so cool.
Thank you.
Interesting.
Yes, we are inside now. Yay. Wow. It's so neat. Wow, look at that.
What's that one, Michael?
What's that?
That's why.
What's
He's there, okay?
skid steer? Forklift, skid steer.
Yeah,
That
and
one.
those are tractors.
Tractor. Wow.
Yeah.
Those are
two
tractor.
tractors.
2 tractor. That's right.
Look at that, Michael.
Michael. Oh, there's an excavator backhoe. There's a backhoe over there.
There's just another species.
Wow, it's skid steer. That's cool. Wow, look at that. Oh my God.
There's a big bucket.
Yes, big bucket. What's this? Look at that. What's that?
Too hard.
Still hard. Wow, this one is snowplow. Look at that snowplow. Do you wanna touch the snowplow?
No.
Look at snowplow.
Look. Wow. Go over there. Wow, that's so huge. Go walk straight. Go walk straight. Oh, go walk straight. Wow. Come here. That's so cool. Look at that.
The doors are locked, girl, so you just can't get.
Yeah, we started locking the doors.
We're going beyond.
Yeah. And
Oh,
then,
there's the excavator.
oh wow. Look at this
for
one.
digging.
Wow, for digging. Wow, that's cool, Michael. Michael, you were there? That's cool. Hello.
Let's go in there. And there's you mind. In there. There's
What's that?
the boulder store.
Bulldozer.
Yeah, don't
Yeah.
Big taco trucks always got the best taco.
You like it? Good.
Michael's still full now.
Alright.
Okay. Working on both.
Baby wanted to cruise. Over there.
Enjoying beautiful weather.
Oh, isn't it great? Cute family.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, I do. Especially with the two boys. This little girl. Yeah, thanks. Cute.
Thanks.
Baby.
Oh, get your hat. Get your hat over there.
Your stuff. All right, you ready to go? Huh? She gets antsy when she sits too long.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Me too.
she likes the scenery.
Have a good day.
You too.
You too. Get your chips, anak.
Oh, you forgot something.
Get your chips. Get your chips.
I think he's
There you go.
Maybe I just didn't want to carry him.
Yeah. There. All right. Ready to go. Bye-bye.
Hey,
Bye-bye.
you do one hand. Bye. Say bye, Dion.
Micah, say bye-bye ka. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're doing the white face.
Yeah. Train. Yes. You got friends? What are you doing, Michael? You're silly. Yeah.
What do you mean by first of all that she's not playing anyways? She's injured.
This way.
That's right, that's right.
What, babe? Yeah.
Yeah, bobcat. Dion. Look, Michael's bobcat.
This is tiny.
There's all the attachments too. Look. Like a Slippy. Okay. The fork. Look at all the attachments like Slippy.
Wow. Attachments for that, babe? A lot of attachments. That's heavy, Michael, too. Bobcat. Bobcat tractor sale.
Louie, did you see this?
Look at what attachment.
A lot of attachments. Yes, that's right. Freeloader.
Yeah.
You're silly, Micah.
And this one is for power source.
Oh, picture in there. Para chair. Picture in the para chair. Picture over there. There you go. Oh, look at mommy. Look at mommy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got picture now. Look at that. Another picture. 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 1, 2, 3. Smile. That one too. Wow. Look at that, Michael. A lot of attachments. You see a spider web there. A lot of attachments. Michael said a lot of attachments.
Picking up the trees.
Wow, rubber bucket. Wow.
Yeah, we got like street strawberry.
Yeah, wait, babe. Oh, picture in there. Oh, stand up. Picture. Yeah. Rubber. Last one, and then we're gonna go back over there. Alright, picture. Oh, stand up. 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright. There you go. Oh, look at that. Smile. Oh, let's go. Let's go to daddy now. Oh, let's go now. To daddy.
Oh, there's a lot more.
This way. Michael, to the right. This way. Thank you. Michael. Fire truck. Let's go to daddy. We're gonna go to the train. Let's go. Over there. Straight. Let's go.
There's a doggy.
Yep. No.